this is gonna be the elevator here at the Best Western Daytona Seabreeze in Daytona Beach, Florida. Former General Elevators modded by Key Elevator. We're gonna go to 1. You have a ThyssenKrupp HealthLink phone. Interesting noise it makes going down. What floor are you going to?
4. Thank you. Okay. Something wrong with the elevator?
No, just taking a ride and taking some pictures of it. I am interested.
You're interested?
Mm-hmm.
You like elevators?
Yep.
Not me.
How come gotten stuck?
No, just don't like being in something I can't control, I guess.
Gotcha. Well, there are some old ones, like from like the 20s and before, that had cranks and you can manually control and drive them, actually.
Wouldn't that be something?
This one off and on makes some weird noise.
Yeah, it does. It hums going down.
Thank you.
Well, have a nice day. Going down?
Yeah.
Alright, let's listen to the motor. You can see that's where the old coal station used to be. This is the newer one. And there's a little view out there. Here's a view of the cab. Pretty basic modern cab. Sounds really weird going down, kind of. Innovation security fixtures with the universal indicator, rather generic, but the motor's nice, and I just discovered a new brand. Coal station. There it goes.